Gian nata sa part 3 diri sa ato ang Ku-ring-gai Chase National Park walk. So after sa ato ang West Head Lookout, it's only like next bush walk kaning army track. So mga to nata sa ubos guys, na dito ang mga army battery sa una sa World War II ilang gigamit. But I'm a little bit hesitant kasi grabe ka lugsungonon siya ba. Tanawa ra gud na oh. Lugsungonon siya kaayo, it's very steep. But anyway, you will see it later on my video. Na surprise gani ko guys nganong nabuhat ni nako nga nilugsong ko og maayo. Og tanawa lang ninyo unya. Look at this. Grabe ang hagdanan. So here it's getting steeper, the footpath is getting really dangerous, and make sure when you come here with your kids, with the little children, make sure you look after them, make sure you hold their hands. It needs adult supervision because the footpath is very narrow, and I think it might be slippery, and also it's very steep. So make sure you wear a proper shoes, and I don't know why I went all the way down, but anyway guys, you will see why. Oh, halalom. Hagoy. Nag-lose weight na gid ko diri ba. It's going down. Slowly, huh? But you watch when we go up. Diring dapita guys, na feel na gid nako ang sakit sa tuhod. Grabe giniya ka steep, og you have to also be careful. So mo nang make sure you wear a proper walking shoes kay look at ang iyahang dalan oh. Agay. Sakit na ako tuhod. Ha? Oh my gosh, this is going all the way to the beach. Good luck going up, huh? Oh my, it's steep. Don't step on my shoes, huh? Come on, soldiers, let's go. Agoy Ginoo ko. It's very steep. Good luck going up. OMG. Ha, may tuhod. This is a good exercise for the tuhod. Hapit na gid ta diha sa dagat. Kani pagsaka diri sa mga soldiers, no? Ayan. Cushion ladder. We are going to the ladder. Oh my goodness. This is an adventure. Use both hands and climb slowly. This is an adventure talaga. I'm game for the new adventure of 2025. Whew. Grabe ka steep. Agoy. Laka. Oh my God. Oh no, the ladder. Shoot! Oh no, I can't do that. Yeah, you gotta go down the ladder. But do we need to? We don't need to. Oh yeah, you do. Shoot me. Grabe oh. Ay, Ginoo ko Maria. I'm trying just for the sake of videoing. na lang gyud ko diri guys para mabidyuhan ako diri oh. Okay. Kumurog na yung mga tiil ko guys, di kaya. OMG. Oh my god, hangin pa. Mahangin pa siya. Mahadlok man ko guys. Uy, tanawa ra gud nang padulong sa ubos. Oh, grabe. Ayan guys, maunang view diri ha. Kita ninyo, kataas, tanawa ang ladder nga imo ang adtuon agoy nangurog na ko agoy Ginoo ko. Tanawa, you have to use this ladder. Oh. Tanawa, unsa nakaubos, di ko na kaya guys. Uy, hadlok man ako. Kaya tingali pero ambot lang. I'm gonna go a little bit. Sus, grabing kurog sa ako ang mga tiil. Ayan, yan ang ating view. Look at the sailboat pala. Yan ang sailboat, and that's the lighthouse that we saw earlier. That's the Barrenjoey Lighthouse. I've been there before. I have a vlog of that one. Barrenjoey Lighthouse. Ayan oh, may sailboat sila oh. Kasi mahangin dito guys. Ayan.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Look at this guys. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Daghang spiders. Uy, wata kabalo kung naay mga bitin diri oh. And it's 2 o'clock. Grabe ni kayo nga adventure guys. Wala ni gid ni gialang-alang og adventure gayud. Grabe ang mga spiders diri kadagko. Diya tagikan oh. Diya tagikan. Tanaw nato ning pikas diri kung unsay naa diri guys. Ayan, look at that. Grabe naman eh. Uy, grabe ang spider oh. Up the top. Look at the spiders. Gee. Parang dinosaurs ang ano dito? Nakapuyo ba? Tagalog anong nakapuyo eh, nakatira. Parang mga dinosaurs yung nakatira dito. Grabe, another one. This is the second one. Grabe oh, diri sila magkuan oh. Magbantay kung naana ang Japanese mo atake. Okay guys, let's go. Ayan na guys, maraming salamat sa inyong pag-watching. Thank you to all my members and supporters. Thank you for always supporting my vlogs, my videos. Maraming salamat sa inyo. To my members, shout out. Ayan guys, that's all our video for today. Nakalaag na gyud ang laagan for 2025. Ayan, nandito tayo sa National Park and a beautiful lookout. Ayan guys, oh. Woo. Grabe, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. See you on my next adventure guys. Grabe na tong adventure. Oy, tudo-tudo na tong adventure. Woo. Grabe, ang 2025 na to nga laag. Wala na gid ni siya gi tudo-tudo na gid ni laag yun ron, char. Salamat sa inyo guys ha. Thank you for watching. See you on my next adventure. Bye-bye.
Don't you worry. I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Oh, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do my worst.